Bakit kaya sila lang ang yumayaman, kami hindi? Yan din ba ang tanong mo? Because of the 3-day Millionaire Mind Intensive event, I discovered that somehow, in my subconscious mind, I have a belief that I will never be rich. Being rich daw is only for a lucky few. After becoming aware of that subconscious belief and many other beliefs, doon ako natauhan. Kaya pala hirap ako sa pera for almost 40 years. Doon din sa 3 days na event na yon, I started to discover kung saan nanggaling ang mga beliefs na yan. Hindi lang kami naging aware, tinuruan pa kami doon ng mga exercises kung ano ang dapat gawin para mapaltan itong mga disempowering beliefs na ito. And one of my biggest learning there is that being rich is not about being lucky. All of us, especially me, I too am destined to be rich, just like you are. All it takes is for us to have focus on our dreams, be willing to do the work consistently, and to always have the right mindset. This is just one of the many secrets to having a millionaire mind. And in that 3-day event, you learn what they are. Want to learn more? Comment below so I'll tell you.